One of the questions that people always ask is, what is title insurance? And the question they also ask is, do I really need title insurance? And they kind of go hand in hand, because you can't decide if you need something if you don't know what it is. So let's analyze a little bit what title insurance is. Title insurance is an insurance policy, a guarantee that is offered to you by a large insurance company, usually through a title agent, to guarantee that when you close on a piece of real estate, when you buy a piece of real estate, that you own it, that you have the rights to it, and if anything goes wrong with the title, because somewhere along the way someone had committed fraud, there was a mistake, the legal description was wrong, there's an encroachment, numerous other types of problems, you have an insurance policy that you can then go to a third party, not to the person who sold you the property, who's now long gone or long dead, and they will ensure that you either get the property that you bought by fixing it legally, or in the alternative, writing you a check for the amount of the policy. Many of the times, these things get resolved legally with a lawsuit, but sometimes if there's a complete failure of the title companies have to give you a check. Now, what's interesting is banks are required, commercial banks are required to get title insurance when they lend you money, and technically speaking, the U.S. government now says that you have the option of buying title insurance, but it's not absolutely required. I think that's crazy. I think it's ludicrous. I think if the bank is getting title insurance, you should be getting it too. Why should the bank be insured and you should not be? And also what's interesting is once you have purchased a bank policy, the cost of buying an owner's policy is much, much less, because you don't have to buy two policies. You're just getting effectively an addendum, an amendment, an endorsement, as they call it in the trade, for a policy that also insures your interest. Under rare circumstances would I ever advise an attorney, would I ever advise someone not to get title insurance. It's important, it gives you peace of mind, it's one of the largest investments you're ever going to make in your life, and why would you not have insurance? You don't drive a car without insurance, you generally don't run around without medical insurance, so when you buy a home, it makes no sense why you would not have title insurance. So what you need to do is obviously understand what title insurance is before you understand that in fact you do need title insurance when you buy a piece of property.